Mattress, Mack, Gallery Furniture. I want you to take a drive down your street on trash pickup day. You see those busted recliners, sagging, ugly avocado green sofas, those broken chairs on the curb, mattresses, they're stained everywhere. That's the furniture graveyard where cheap junk furniture goes to die, and that's where your hard-earned money goes if you settle for garbage, cheap Chinese furniture, cheap throwaway mattresses. After a year and a half, 2 years, they're in the trash pickup pile on trash day. Every year, families waste thousands, millions of dollars buying couches that cave in, recliners that quit, or mattresses that collapse after a few months and don't give you the support and the great night's sleep you deserve. Those mattresses end up on the curb waiting for the trash man on trash day. There goes your hard-earned money. That's not value, that's a headstone for a bad investment. At Gallery Furniture, we don't sell disposable junk furniture. We sell quality Tempur-Pedic mattresses. We sell Flex Steel power reclining upholstery. We sell Mack Z-Climbers, furniture you and your family can live with and enjoy every single day. Sofas that don't sag, recliners that keep on working, and mattresses that give you the support night after night after night. So you wake up in the morning, no morning after backache, you feel great every day. And here's the best part. When you buy a new Tempur-Pedic mattress at Gallery Furniture, Mack Z-Climbers, or a wonderful Flex Steel power reclining sofa, Gallery Furniture delivers tonight. Free delivery. Buy once, buy smart at Gallery Furniture. Buy today, keep the furniture in your home, not on the curb waiting for the trash man.